pastor might be facing jail. Watch.
We're not going to do an altar call today. Instead, I'm going to have you stand up, and I'm going to make an announcement. And after the announcement, I'm going to ask that you leave church quietly and don't talk about the announcement here in the building, please, if you can. So y'all can stand to your feet. Before I make the announcement, I also want to say that my request to you is that you will continue to come to church and serve and give for the next little bit. 'Cause I don't want to have. I'm taking a little bit of a break, and I don't want to have to worry about the church. My break may be a few days, a few weeks. I don't know. I got a call late last night. My wife has passed away, and it was self-induced, and it was up in North Carolina, and we're gonna have a funeral for her next Sunday here at 3 p.m. And so it's all I can. Yeah, I'm just kind of going on adrenaline right now. So y'all pray for me and my kids and everybody. And she wasn't. Y'all knew that she wasn't well mentally, and that she needed her medicine that was hard to get to her. And so I'm sure there'll be more details to come. But just keep our family in your prayers. And I'm going to let Pastor Randall, my bishop, he can pray. I'll get him a microphone. He'll pray out. And if you have anything you want to.
All right, we're gonna rewatch it, but I want to go through some of the strange. Everybody basically comment wise, people were very suspicious of this, like especially the way he just brushed over. Yeah, no, it was because of this, and it's next week that's taking place where we're getting rid of the body essentially. But anyways, new investigation. I'll read. You guys can't see all of it, but I will. There we go. You should be able to see all of it now. New investigation launched after a South Carolina pastor gave a bizarre speech at church saying that his wife died of suicide, due to the YouTube algorithm, just hours before the church service. Mika Miller died by a basketball shot, wound to the head. Jeez, God, oh, have mercy. At Lumber River State Park in NC, Pastor John Paul Miller gave an entire sermon on Sunday before mentioning he found out that his wife died the night before. He called it self-induced. That is where some people have issues. If you see in the comment section down below, you see what I'm talking about. Okay, especially the later comments if you carry on scrolling. It gets a bit worse. So Miller instructed the church to not talk about her death inside the church, which is a bit, I don't know, people are just saying it's a bit odd. Like, what do you think is going to happen? You announced that, single file, and then let's all walk out and not like, what? I mean, if you guys must have heard the reaction, right? Let me play the video. The whole church was like,
we're not going to do an altar call today. Instead,
shocked.
Instead, I'm going to have you stand up, and I'm going to make an announcement. And after the announcement, I'm going to ask that you leave church quietly and don't talk about the announcement here in the building, please, if you can. So y'all can stand to your feet. Before I make the announcement, I also want to say that my request to you is that you will continue to come to church and serve and give for the next little bit. 'Cause I don't want to have. I'm taking a little bit of a break, and I don't want to have to worry about the church. My break may be a few days, a few weeks. I don't know. I got a call late last night. My wife has passed away, and it was self-induced, and it was up in North Carolina, and we're gonna have a funeral for her next Sunday here at 3 p.m. And so it's all I can. Yeah, I'm just kind of going on adrenaline right now. So y'all pray for me and my kids and everybody. And she wasn't. Y'all knew that she wasn't well mentally, and that she needed her medicine that was hard to get to her. And so I'm sure there'll be more details to come. But just keep our family in your prayers. And I'm going to let Pastor Randall, my bishop, he can pray. I'll get him a microphone. He'll pray out. And if you have anything you want to share as well, I appreciate it.
So this lady posted this picture out. I'm going to carry on reading, but that picture that you can see there, she posted this, I believe, on Facebook, which is making it very, very weird, is adding to all of this. I pray that if this is genuine, I mean, how can it be genuine? As in, if he didn't have anything involved, because people think he was involved. I just have to say it how it is, and I pray that that's not the case. And it's such a saddening thing because Mu'aid, okay, is rampant. Like it's sad to say the least. May her soul rest in peace. But let's carry on reading. Miller instructed the church to not talk about it. Okay, cool. Lumber River State Park, where Micah's body was found, is about 70 miles from the church. So, okay, strange. Micah's friends and family are questioning exactly what happened and are calling for accountability. This is where things are like, oh, okay. While Miller says his wife had struggled with Mu'aid, okay, Micah's family suggests that something more sinister could be going on. Micah was a God-fearing, joyful, loving woman who did not deserve the abuse she endured by a cryptic post from her sister read on Facebook. This has to be at least looked into deeply. There's got to be some accountability here. Here a friend said, okay, cool. Micah's final Facebook post selfie. This is exactly what I was talking about earlier on. She posted this with this picture, and then she said this: when terrible things happen to you, y'all know what I'm talking about. Referring to the resting peace face on the photo below. Okay. According to this is sad, man. Cases like this is just genuinely sad. Because I don't know whether she was suffering inside. Yeah. According to the court filings, Micah had to she filed for divorce weeks before she died. This is tremendously sad. Guys, if you're going through any of this, any form of this, my prayer to you is talk to somebody. There's a reason as to why the Bible says where two or more are gathered, I am there. It's not just saying, okay, well, two or more, meaning you can't be alone by yourself. No problem. Very often God's asking us to go within our room as well, as in like to build that connection with Him, as in go in your room and be in peace and pray to God, right? But if you're suffering from anything, the best thing to do is to reach out and talk to somebody. People chill with people, you're a people person, whether you like it or not. All this, I'm an introvert, it's like, I believe we're all extroverts to an extent, as in the way I'm trying to describe it is we are all people persons, people who require people to be around them. And those who say, oh no, I don't need, trust me, deep inside they're super lonely. Super lonely. I believe in Proverbs it says, better for a man to remain on the top of a roof than to marry a quarrelsome woman, right? So there is that also. Your peace essentially is everything. But let's be honest, you're grown adult. If you're not finding peace by yourself, I mean, we're supposed to be problem solvers. If you've been by yourself for years and you're not happy with that, at least understand that, okay, something needs to be done. Okay? If you're not happy for years, God gave us a problem-solving mind. We're creators. Genesis chapter 1. You see, God created, and it was good. He created the trees. It was good. He created this. God is a creator. So if you don't like your circumstances, change it. We're the only ones that can change our circumstances. The monkeys don't live in skyscrapers. The baboons, wild boars, cows, all of these animals, giraffes, they can't change their environment, but we can. So if you're struggling in silence, it's like, please reach out. I know it's easier said than done. It's super difficult, obviously, but that is the best thing you can do. I hope that this reaches somebody who's maybe you were struggling mentally, and because ending up in cases like this, whether it's genuine that what took place is what it is, or there's some darker motives behind it. Either or, I'm speaking on both ends, you know? It's always good to talk to someone. Yeah, I'm going to leave it as that. This is very, very, very sad. I pray that justice, if justice is needed and if it's genuine, then, you know, may God be with her and the family as well, because this is something not easy at all. And I pray the pastor has nothing involved or to do with this. And if you know more information, then obviously let me know. But yeah. Whoa, what is this? It appears more people are coming forward about, what is going on? You watched a grown man, a youth member, years. We watched him take absolutely everything. We watched him destroy her. Okay. We watched him, whenever you see me pausing or doing replacing words, it's just, you know, you get it. Him destroy his own family during the process. We've watched him play God and damn. Whoa. Yeah, that's literally Colin Rogg's response. Whoa, full stop. Wow. Smash the like on the video so we can spread some awareness to this, so it could come to light. And it's sad, man. The whole thing is sad. Whenever I'm thinking about it, it's just genuinely sad. Yeah, smash the like button. Comment. Let me know what you think. Do you know anything about this? I would love to hear from you. I'll go through and read through every single one of my comments. So be sure to do so. And yeah, may God bless you all. Just be wise, man. The world out here is getting wicked.